What's up guys, in today's video we will be creating this kind of amazing glitch text design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. It means that you can change the text anytime you want. So if you want to download this project file, check the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. So hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop and the first thing that we need to do is to create a new document. As always, the size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Let's pick a very dark color. Hit OK and click on create. First of all, create a new layer. Select pen bucket tool. Make sure your foreground color is black and then click on the canvas to fill the selected layer with black color. Now press T button on your keyboard to pick the type tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. Press Ctrl Enter to confirm it and align the text into the center. Select these two layers and convert them into a smart object. Change its blend mode to screen. Now select the rectangular marquee tool. Click on this icon to add new selection to the previous selection and then start making random horizontal selections just like this. By the way, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel yet. Anyways, when you are done with the selection, click on this icon to create a layer mask. Now duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Select its layer mask and press Ctrl I to invert it. Pick your move tool and move this layer to the right side with the help of arrow keys. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Disable these two layers. Remove its layer mask. Again, select the rectangular marquee tool and just like before, make random horizontal selection. Make sure it is different from the previous selection. Click on this icon to create a layer mask. Enable these two layers. Pick your move tool and move it to the left side with the help of arrow keys. Now select all of these layers and convert them into a smart object. Change its blend mode to screen and rename it text. Now to create the glow, let's duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Rename it glow. Now go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Blur it about 80 pixels and then hit OK. Now it is too intense, so just drop down its opacity to 20%. Now create new layer. Let's rename it noise. Pick a 50% gray color. Make sure the S value is 0. Hit OK. Select the pen bucket tool and click on the canvas. Now convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit its value later. Also change its blend mode to overlay. Next, go to filter, noise and choose add noise. Let's go with 100% amount. Hit OK. Also drop down its opacity to 30%. And now it is done. If you want to change the text, double click on this layer, it will open another document. Now double click on this layer and here you can edit your text. When you are done with the editing, close this document and save it. Now close this one and save it. And Photoshop will update everything for you. So that's it guys. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.